Okay guys, my 2012 Tacoma had a problem. My running lights quit working. So what do? You check the fuse. Well, I checked them under the hood. Under the hood was okay. And well, I was supposed to get that. Never mind. Anyhow, I get up underneath my dash to check this out. And Toyota, in their infinitely stupid, dumb, idiotic, asinine way, made a fuse that you can't pull with your fingers. And if you use any other tool, you can't use it. This is their design. You see it's got a very small lip on top. You use any other tool with that, you ruined it. You ruined it. Now, years ago, I went to a tool sale and I found these mini auto car fuse. And this is what they look like. They got long spades, a longer body, and a bigger top that you can grasp. And Toyota's fuses mount basically flush in there. You have no way to get these out. If you're on the road and 99% of the people out there will not know that there's a tool that's under the hood to use to pull these. And I guarantee that that tool does not work all the time. They've made these to where they pretty much lock in place. And that's stupid. Incredibly stupid on their part. So once I found these, I went in to my fuse blocks up under there. And you can see, I changed every damn one of them stupid ass things out to a fuse that I could pull and a fuse I could use. Because why in the world would you have fuses that you can't fix? That's what Toyota did with this dumbass design right here. And I switched them to these. Now, to get this crap out, I was looking for this, or this is a dentist pick, and a lot of automotive guys use these. It's great for scraping and cleaning out stuff, but I was trying to find the one that has a 90-degree angle at the end is what I was looking for, but I couldn't find it. This is the only one I could find, and so I ended up taking a 12-penny nail, 12 penny, I think it's 12. I sharpened the front up super sharp on a bench grinder, and you can see I got more than a 90-degree angle to it. And the reason I did this is that I would get into that body, and I ain't kidding, you'd have to really dig this into the body of that thing and then use it as a fulcrum like that to pull them fuses out. That's how hard it is to get these fuses in a Toyota out. Now I got a 2012, so that means from 05 or 09 to I think it's 05 to 2015. I think we'll use that design of a fuse box. And that's an idiot design. And I have looked everywhere for a way how to get these stupid ass things out, and there's nothing out there. And so I invented a way to get these dumbass things out, and I replaced them with this. So that's an upgrade to the Toyota to make it user friendly, basically. Nobody else knowed about it. But anyhow, that little thing is what goes in that hole right there. It tells you what ones you need. This is the one that I had problems with, the tail. So anyhow, this is a first on how to fix the Toyota's fuse problem. Anyhow, and this is a tool I made to get these out. So anyhow, you guys have a good one, and another good video for y'all. Y'all take care. Bye.